Hi, I'm Kevin Rallings. I am the Director of Education at REMIC, and I do the full 5-day every week course for mortgage agents, and I've been teaching the courses with REMIC since 2008 when REMIC first began. REMIC is to me the best option for people wanting to get into the mortgage industry, either as an agent from beginning or as a broker to upsell and upgrade their position to expand their business in the mortgage world, because REMIC was created by Joseph White and has built an incredible team at REMIC with very experienced instructors, all active in the mortgage world. We're adding personal knowledge and experience to explain the meaning of concepts to new people and giving real life experience on how they can apply that in the mortgage world. We're not only giving them just the knowledge they need to pass the levels of exams, we're adding the real life experience on how that's going to apply on what they will face in the real world, and giving tips and suggestions on what they will need to learn and to help and guide them on the extra that's needed over and above the requirements just to meet the licensing requirement. They will actually fully understand mortgages. What is a mortgage? And there's not many people know that. And people may have a mortgage, but when they do our course, they suddenly learn there was more to mortgages than I knew before. And if they'd have known about mortgages, what they know after doing our course, they would have chosen something different for themselves, not only in product, but in lender as well. So we're laying that groundwork for the full knowledge that they can impart to members of the public, giving value added and suggestions on what is the right product and right facility for each borrower. We build the knowledge we're creating and giving to all our students at all levels to be a full, accomplished, licensed professional future mortgage planning for borrowers. There's never a bad time to get into the mortgage world, because the fact of the matter is mortgages never go away, regardless of what the economy is and what the market is. There's so much value in understanding mortgages for the general public, which the public don't know. That's why they need to have really experienced knowledge professionals to help them with that, because not many people, even in the lending world, understand it. Because in the mortgage brokerage world, we're licensed. In the banking world, they're not. We're selling a lifestyle and future based on a mortgage for the public. So what are the best things that people can do is to really learn and understand their product knowledge. And that's the mortgage product, but understand the rules and the technicalities of how it works and what it all means, but understand individual lending products and what are all the options and how that can impact and benefit borrowers, and to actually be prepared to take advantage of every single opportunity that comes their way in terms of business building and building their network, building their relationships with referral sources, but more importantly, building the relationship with their individual borrowers, because people become their borrowers for life. And people don't only do one mortgage in their life, they do multiple mortgages. So people have to be prepared to think it's not just a one-time single transaction only, but it's a relationship with a borrower for life. We have the solutions because we have all options available with all the various different lenders that we deal with, that we can do short-term fixes for people that are in trouble. We are the real full mortgage planners for borrowers.